Namaskar, I am Professor Krishna Shinde, teaching at Navhinda Junior College of Commerce, Arts and Vocational, Dadar, Shindewadi, Mumbai. Dear students, since a long period of time, today we are connecting with each other. Due to this corona pandemic, I am today going to introduce you the subject matter general insurance to the students of BFSI, banking, financial services and insurance. This particular subject matter is put for the BFSI course. And in this subject matter, we are going to study 8 topics. That these topics very briefly I am going to introduce you today so that you can have idea about the subject matter, that what things you are going to study during the course of this year. So students, that the first topic that you have to study in this particular subject matter is Introduction to General Insurance. So in this Introduction to General Insurance, you are going to study a brief history about the insurance, particularly general insurance, how it had came in India and how it gradually developed in India and how it has expanded in India. Then we will study in this subject matter the meaning, definition and features of the general insurance. And also, how many types of general insurance is there? Means, scope of the subject matter, what topics has been included in this particular subject. That also we are going to study here in this topic. The next topic is nothing but it is completely related to the various laws enacted by the Indian government, particularly to cover this general insurance. So that laws and the provisions of these laws in brief we are going to study in this subject matter. The next third important topic, that is the fire insurance. My students, we are going to study in this particular topic that various properties which are covered in this fire insurance. As you know, mostly the properties, our dwelling house, our commercial complex, our valuable ornaments and documents, which may be possible that they can be destroyed due to fire. So all such things or all such properties which are covered here. So we are going to study the content of the fire insurance. And the next, that is the meaning of fire insurance, nature of fire insurance, scope of fire insurance, means what things are included in this particular topic, that we are going to study in this topic. Then how to take fire insurance policies, what are the different documents required in order to take the fire insurance policy. This is also we are going to study in this particular subject matter. And friends, also we are going to study the various policies of the fire insurance, that the general insurance companies have developed different kinds of fire insurance as per the needs of the people, as per the needs of the businessman. They have devised different kinds of policies. That different kinds of policies also we are going to study here in this particular topic. And the next fourth topic, that is the motor accident policy. As we know that the government has recently introduced and they have recently brought a very drastic changes in this particular law, that one must know the provisions of motor accident law before driving or before riding any bike. So very interesting topic is this. So here contains the provisions relating to this motor accident that we are going to study. Means it's a meaning, nature, scope, and types of different policies that we are going to study in this particular subject matter. And then next, how to take the policies of the motor accidental policies, car insurance, auto insurance, bike insurance, how to take, what are the procedure adopted, what documents are required, and suppose any vehicle is met to an accident, then what is the procedure for claiming the compensation, claiming the loss. That is also we are going to study in this particular topic. And then next one is very much important. As I got very bad experience in this Mumbai during the pandemic of this corona, many of the people, many patients, they have suffered from the corona and they went to hospital for taking the treatment. But the hospitals, they have made huge bills which are the out of budget of the common man, and common man thinks that it is better to die than to cure, because the financial budget bill out of his financial budget. And that's why if all the citizens of India, they took the health insurance, then this kind of situation may not arise, this kind of problem they won't have to face. So from this point of view, that general insurance companies have devised and introduced one important topic, and that is nothing but health insurance. So in this we are going to study the meaning of health insurance, the definition of health insurance, features of the health insurance, types of health insurance, procedure of taking health insurance, and the claim procedures. And the last one, that as we seen here in these 5 topics, that fire insurance is covered, the marine marine insurance is also there. So in this 5th topic, we are going to study the marine insurance. Marine insurance means the insurance of ship, insurance of the cargo, and the insurance of the goods that are to be transported by waterways. So in this also types of insurance that we are going to study meaning, definition, features, and types of marine insurance. So far as till the 5th topic, all types of insurance covered, but some important other forms of insurance has not yet been covered, and that this group of other types of general insurance, they are covered in a particular topic, and that topic's name is miscellaneous insurance. So in this miscellaneous insurance that we are going to study, the glass plate insurance. Glass plate insurance means, as we know, that multi-stories buildings are now constructed and they are fully covered by the glass plates. So it requires very huge investment. If loss is there, it is out of the budget of anyone to compensate such a loss. So from this point of view, that such a glass plate insurance is devised. Not only this, but certain that the traders, that the businessmen, they are doing the window display, means totally big glass sheets are used, and in that certain models are kept in order to attract the customers. These glasses also very costly. So from this point of view, to cover such a kind of losses, this glass plate insurance has been introduced. And the next thing, that as we know that as we are saying that our Indian agriculture is very famous. India is said to be agriculturist country. Means our total near about 70% of the population is a rural population. Their main occupation is doing a farm, and All these farmers, they are cultivating their land. They are introducing HYCS, means high yielding seeds. They are using the insecticides, pesticides, chemical fertilizers. For this purpose, they are making the huge investment at the time of monsoon when rainy season starts. They are investing huge amount of money. So they are not investing from their own pocket, but as their financial position is not so good, so that's why they are taking the loans from the rural cooperative credit societies, district cooperative banks, and the urban cooperative banks. They are taking the loans and then they are investing into the farm. But Indian agriculture is largely depending upon the monsoon season. If rain falls properly, then farmers may be benefited. If rain is not falling properly, farmers may be put at loss, and that's why various insurance companies, they have devised the policy of that crop policy. And the next type of livestock insurance is there. The farmers, they are doing the ancillary business. They are having the animal farms. They are having the poultry farms. Means in animal farms and poultry farms, that the prices of the animals, milky animals, say cows, buffaloes, are costly one. Huge investment is required. From this point of view, if any cow is suffering from the illness and got death, so under such circumstances, farmers are put at loss, and that's why it is very necessary to take the livestock insurance, so that the compensation cover can be provided to the farmers. The next one, liability insurance, that is the employees liability insurance, that every employer has to take insurance in order to provide the financial protection to his employees whenever they are meeting with an accident while they were on the work. When they are on the duty and the accident took place, it is the responsibility of the employer to compensate them and provide the financial compensation to their legal heirs or the family. And next one, that various contractors are there. They are purchasing the machinery. They are making the huge investment in purchasing the machineries, such as excavators, such as JCB machines, and all these machines are very much costly. If any machine is meeting an accident, or it has been taken away by any thieves, under such circumstances he may be put at loss, and from saving this kind of situation, the insurance company has introduced a plant and machinery insurance. And the next important seventh topic is insurance of salesmanship. Salesmanship. Insurance salesmanship. This is the topic. So in this topic, that we are going to study meaning, definition of the insurance salesmanship, and what are the do's and do nots of the insurance salesmanship, and what qualities are required, means what skills one should have in order to be a good insurance salesman. So this kind of uh, points are covered in this particular topic. And the next last one, insurance agent. Friends, why this particular subject has been introduced, that those students who are needy in the society, those students who wants a financial support, financial earning source, so for this subject is very important. Once you got the knowledge about the general insurance and you learn the basic concepts, that the basic concepts of fire insurance, marine insurance, miscellaneous insurance, then medical insurance, and a motor accident insurance. If you learn all these procedures, if you learn the different kinds of policies, then you can actually go into market, convince the people for purchasing the insurance, and then you can start your career as an insurance consultant. So from this point of view, what should be the educational qualification? what should be your qualities, and what kind of exam that you have to pass. The information pertaining to this particular things that we are going to study here in this insurance agent topic. And this was all about the general insurance that you are going to study. What I have introduced, once again I am briefing it. First of all, we are going to study the general insurance, introduction to general insurance in India, its meaning, definition, scope, features, so and types. All these things we are going to study in this topic. Then next comes fire insurance, the meaning, definition, features and types of policies of fire insurance. And then next comes marine insurance, meaning, definition, types and features of the marine insurance and different policies of the marine insurance. And then next, the motor accident insurance, means automobile insurance. And next one, that health insurance, then insurance salesmanship, and then last one, insurance agent. All these topics that we are going to study during the course of this year. And thanks very much. Next, my lecture, in my next lecture we are going to deal in detail, one by one topic we will finish, and we will learn the insurance subject. Don't be afraid, don't be safe, and take care of you and your family. Thank you so much.